Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. So today's video guys, we will discuss about thrush in men and women. Thrush is common in yeast infection that affects in men and women. It's harmless, but it can be unforgettable and keep coming back. The symptoms is white vaginal discharges, like cutted chest pero walang amoy, itching and irritation around the vagina, soreness and stinging during sex or when you are pee or umihi. Symptoms in men: irritation, burning and redness around the head of the penis and under the foreskin, a white discharges, unpleasant smell, difficulty pulling back the foreskin, usually causes itchy or painful rash over white or yellow discharges. What is the causes of thrush? Thrush is not classed as a sexually transmitted infection, but it can be triggered by sex. Thrush is caused by fungus called Candida that is normally harmless. Thrush tends to grow in warm, moist condition and develop if the balance of bacteria changes. This can be happen if your skin is irritated or damaged, you're taking antibiotics, or you have controlled diabetes. You have a weakened immune system because of HIV or chemotherapy. You are having hormone replacement therapy. You are pregnant. Ano ang gamot ng thrush? You will need antifungal medicine to get rid of thrush. This can be tablet orally or insert into your vagina or a cream to relieve the irritation. Thrush should clear up within 7 to 14 days of starting treatment. Things you can do so yourself to ease discomfort and prevent thrush returning: use water and emollient instead of soap to wash the affected area. Dry properly after washing. Wear cotton underwear. Avoid sex until thrush has cleared up. Do not use soap or shower gels. Do not use douches or deodorants on your vagina. Do not wear tight underwear or tights. See a doctor if you have the symptoms of thrush for the first time. You're under 16 or over 60. The thrush keep coming back more than 4 times in 12 months. Treatment is not working, you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you have thrush and weakened immune system. Sexual health clinics treat problems with the genitals and urine system. Yun ang mga dapat gawin kung mayroon kang thrush guys, lalo na sa ari ng kababaihan or kalalakihan. So hanggang dito na lang tayo sa topic natin. Sana may nakuha kayong aral dito sa video kong ito. Kung may gusto kayong itanong tungkol sa topic na ito, mag-comment lang below. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Kung may kakaiba kayong nararamdaman, huwag kayong mag-atubiling magpatingin sa doktor. Lagi kong sinasabi, prevention is better than cure. Remember guys, health is wealth. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers, non-subscribers, at lalo na sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa suportang binigay nyo dito sa channel ko. May God bless us. Thank you for watching!